Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Liberty Imports RC drift car. If you're a fan of high-speed racing and adrenaline-pumping drifts, then this is the perfect RC car for you. This 1/24th scale car features a 2.4GHz remote control transmitter, allowing you to race against multiple cars at the same time without any interference. With a top speed of 15 km/h, this car is sure to provide an exhilarating racing experience. What sets this RC car apart is its U-shaped drift and figure-8 drift capabilities, along with its four-wheel drive functionality. The front LED lights add a cool visual effect, while the interchangeable tires, 4-speed rubber tires and 4 drift dedicated tires, give you more control over your racing experience. The reinforced body frame also provides better collision resistance, so you can push your limits without worrying about damaging the car. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a rechargeable 3.7V 500 mAh battery with a charging time of about 2 hours and a playing time of approximately 20-30 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned RC car enthusiast, the Liberty Imports RC drift car is sure to provide hours of fun and excitement. So don't wait any longer, click the link in the description to get your hands on this awesome racing machine. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and content. Thanks for watching.